You're looking around. Now you look at one spot. The end. Today I'm going to show you how you can use and film your own movements and apply these movements to your Unreal Engine characters, your MetaHumans, while using Marionnette MoCap, which is an affordable solution with one single camera. Super easy to use, super easy to do. I'm going to show you that in 2 minutes. So the first thing you want to do is go download Marionnette MoCap software on your computer. So once it's done, you just go in the menu and you click on import video. In this case, I'm just going to select the clip I recorded with my camera. It can be any normal camera. After that, I calibrate the pause. So I just click on calibrate. It needs to be a clean pause. It doesn't need to be a T pause. After that, I deselected fingers because I'm going to make them by myself after. So once the whole animation is clean, I'm just going to trim it to the length that I want. After that, I just make sure that the animation is up to my taste and I can make some correction inside of software. From there, you can just export the animation and you put it somewhere on your computer. And then after that, you just open Unreal Engine. You create a test folder where I'm going to import this animation. So once it's in the folder, just click on import. In this case, I'm just going to click on it just to make sure it's the right file. After that, I'm going to retarget the animation. I'm just going to select the skeleton mesh from my MetaHumans that I want to apply the animation. After that, I'm just going to select the right animation that I just imported on my computer. I'm just going to click on export animation. I'm going to put new before just so I know that this is the new retargeted animation that I need. Once it's done, I'm going to export the file. After that, I can open it up, make sure everything looks good. In this case, I'm just going to import now the MetaHuman to my sequence. I'm going to delete the MetaHuman config rig. And I'm going to simply add the animation that I just created, the new retargeted animation that we just created. Click on it. Now it's been added to the character. And let's say I wanted to make some corrections to the animation I just created and move the finger, for example. So in this case, what we're going to do is bake to control rig. And in this case, we're going to click on CR mannequin body. Once it's done, we just click on create. And to be able to add on top of it, what I'm going to do is add an additive layer on top of that. So in this case, in this example, I'm just going to change the elbow just to make it easier. I'm just going to select the elbow and add a keyframe where I want the change to start. And I'm just going to rotate the elbow and then add it automatically a new keyframe. And after that, I can change the position again. And now I have this movement, which has been added on top of the animation I created before. So now we have this whole animation created, filmed with one camera, super easy to do, super simple. My recommendation for your workflow is to record a lot of them with the camera, export all of them, and after that, you can retarget multiple of them at the same time and just export them on your computer. So you don't need to do all of these steps for every single animation. You record all of them. After that, you retarget all of them and it's just easy to do. You can also see my last short film, which I use Marionnette MoCap for the whole animation, the whole movie for every single character. So I encourage you to look at the short film. Some animation come from Mixamos, but all the custom ones, they're all been recorded inside Marionnette. So let me know what you think of Marionnette MoCap, if you like it or not, and what are your recommendations on your side, and which other software do you use that you really like in terms of mocap. Because I've been looking for a little while to find an affordable solution, monthly based payment, not based on credit, because it can become really expensive. And if you do a lot of tests, it can become kind of expensive to pay for every single trial. So let me know if you have any other recommendations and what you think of the software. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section below. And it's gonna be my pleasure to be able to answer you. See you another time. Ciao, ciao.